If you're looking for a new canopy, this could be it. This is the heavy duty pop-up canopy 10 by 10. It comes in a nice carrying case here. We've got handles on each side. So I'm going to unzip it and put it together. Are all of the pieces. This is nice premium still. So let's put it up. We are expanding out the metal frame partway and then putting the top on it. And then we will expand it the rest of the way. And the top ties to each of the legs. And then there are Velcro straps on the inside of the top, which we will attach as well. So you're going to make sure that snaps into that piece right there. And then once it does, these bars will stay in place. So you could stop here and use this for shade, but we are going to continue and put up the walls. This comes with 2 zipper panels, so you can unzip it or leave it zipped. And they also have ties on the side so that you can tie back the pieces on each side. This is 210 Oxford fabric, and it is waterproof, UV resistant, blocks up to 99% UV rays and up to 50 UPF. And it is super simple to take down. You just hit that red button and then it will slide down, and you can just push the frame in once the top and sides are all off. You can see that little metal piece, you just push that in, and then if you want to use the stakes, you can put those in the holes. This one has a window on it, and we've Velcroed it to the base here, and then those ones have zippers, so you can tie them back if you want, and of course you could do the opposite side for the zipper ones, and then it does have another window one, so you can put that up as well, and then it comes with bags to help stabilize it, so you can put sand in there and attach them to the frame. Or you can do the stakes and strings and put it on the grass. So this is going to be a great little canopy for shade. You could use this for weddings, camping trips, picnics, commercial events, just sun coverage in the backyard, festivals, the beach, barbecue. So it goes up in minutes and comes down in minutes, which is really nice. And this is portable. It has that really smart folding style, and you can see everything is attached to the frame. This is going to be a great lightweight canopy. I was compensated for this. I hope it helps.